All right, how's it going? Welcome to another edition of Kitchen Conversations. My name is Frank Kitchen, your chef of success, and I wanted to join you in my kitchen today because I wanted to talk about something that hurts all of us when it comes to achieving the success that we desire, that we want, that we're hungry for, and it's playing small. I mean, it's something I know I've done throughout my life, and the question is, have you? I mean, is there something really big that you've wanted to do in your life and you find out, you're the one holding you back? I mean, have you ever considered that? I mean, we're in a world right now where we want to blame and complain about other people impacting our success, but our success is a choice. It's a choice that we make. And today I want you to get kitchen inspired, not because it's on my shirt, not because we're in my kitchen, but when I say kitchen inspired, I want you to be inspired the same way when you step into the kitchen. Because I'm sure at some point in your life, whether you're a good cook or a bad cook, you're a great cook, or say, hey, you know what, I just shouldn't be in the kitchen, get the fire extinguisher ready. I'm sure there's points where you said, you know what, there's something that I want to cook up that I'm hungry for, and I'm going to go for it. Even if you've never done it before, you will step into this room right here and you'll make something. I mean, right now, quite simply, people told me that you can't cook healthy, and we're making up a lunch right now. I'll have it here in a second when I jump off the camera. And if you want to know what the actual thing that I'm cooking, you know what? Look up under here in the notes and I'll actually let you know what we're cooking today. Me and my wife are working to just be a lot healthier. We're cooking some healthy greens today with some mushrooms and some onions. I'll put the recipe in for you. But the case is this. So many of us in life are playing small. We're saying to ourselves, you know what? I've never done that before. I can't do it. It's too hard. It's too difficult. Guess what? Doesn't that sound like cooking? But when we can trick our mind and we make the emotion of the result stronger than the emotion of the work, amazing things happen. I mean, what's happened in your life? I'm sure you can think of something that you've done in your life that you never imagined that you would ever be able to do. I mean, for me, I am a professional speaker, and I was like the runner-up in my high school. You can go look up my yearbook that says, most likely to be quiet and shy, to nice guy, to quiet guy. I mean, that's what's all through my yearbook. But then now I'm a professional speaker and I get a chance to stand on stages in front of thousands talking confidently to those people. And now I'm hanging out here in my kitchen talking to you. That's just something big. But for years I had people say, hey Frank, we could see you as a business owner, as a trainer, as a coach. And I'm like, no, that's not for me. I'm just going to go work for somebody. I was playing small. And then I had a friend, Damon, if you're out there, Damon Sams. He goes, hey Frank, I was working at a college, and he comes in, he goes, hey Frank, you challenge us to live our dreams. What are you doing to live yours? I mean, those are the words I had used on all my students. And they're saying, hey, Frank, we believe that you can be a speaker. I mean, they actually went out to an agency and signed me up without me knowing. They let me know, like, hey, Frank, we believe that you can do this, that you can cook this up. You got to go for it. And that's what I want to share with you today in this video. What's the big thing that you want to cook up in your life? Are you talking yourself out of it? Or are you getting kitchen inspired and thinking about those recipes that you see online and said, hey, you know what? I've never done it before, but I'm going to make it good. I mean, isn't it funny when we step into a kitchen, we will always talk about what we can do. We don't talk about burning the building down. We don't talk about burning the food. Sometimes I say, I hope it tastes good, but we're always thinking about the positive. And when we do that, great things happen. But in our lives, isn't it funny? It's like, I've never done that before. I'm too old. I'm too young. What are other people going to think? I mean, isn't it funny when we cook things in the kitchen? We will just tell everybody what we're cooking up unapologetically and just share. Like, hey, here's what we're going to do as I'm getting ready here to make a meal. And we want to share with everybody. We want to let them know exactly what we're going to be doing. And when we share it with people, especially we share it in the kitchen with a conversation, it happens. So my question for you that I started earlier is, are you playing small? Are you holding yourself back? I mean, are you lying to yourself? Are you caring about the opinions of people who don't care and love and value you? Are you waiting? Because I'm sure if people waiting means you wish an idea turns out. I mean, it's funny, we will wait till the next day to go start something important to us, but we never say that when it comes to eating, right? You know what, I'm hungry, but I'll just get to it tomorrow. Kind of funny how that works out. I mean, even if we're hungry for something and we don't have it in the house, we will go find a substitute and make something really close to what we want. I mean, we will, self-justify something so we don't get hurt. So, what are you going to do to stop playing small? What are you going to do to step into the kitchen and cook up your next great masterpiece? And yes, it's going to be tough, but stop thinking about all the work and start thinking about the results of that work. You got to trick your brain. You kind of got to go on vacation mode. I'm like, isn't it funny on vacation how when we go on vacation, we will talk to new people, try new things, sample new things, because it's a new adventure and we grow. But in our lives, in our normal comfort zones, we don't push or challenge ourselves. And sometimes we have some people who will push and challenge us, like my students, so I got to say thank you to them. But other times, the person who's got to challenge us the most is us. We've got to step into the kitchen. We've got to grab the proper cooking utensil. We've got to step over to the stove. We've got to turn on the eye, get some heat. And guess what? Yeah, you might mess it up. But at the same time, you might cook something so amazing that people ask you to cook it up again. So what are you going to do? Go out there, stop playing small, have a great time, cook up something special, and then join me back here for the next episode of Kitchen Conversations as we get truthful, we get honest, and we share what you and me need to do to truly cook up that success that we're hungry for. Let's go out there and let's cook.